showing you the visuals from the national capital. We are presently at the Delhi BJP. We'll quickly show you some visuals here. We are seeing people who are celebrating Holi with gulal, with abir, with flowers and lots of cuisines. Also, we are seeing that people are in fact also, playing the dhols and nagadas and enjoying here, having a singing competition. We are seeing Delhi BJP president is also in fact right now have reached the Delhi BJP headquarters, and everybody we can see is smeared with gulals and abirs. They're all celebrating this festival today. Several of the people have also arrived to join this festivities. In a very short while, the Delhi Chief Minister will be coming here to celebrate Holi with everyone here. We also saw this is a big event for the Delhi BJP today, because this time we are seeing that the BJP had won in the national capital. Also, several of the arrangements have been put in place for people to celebrate Holi today. It's also because we are seeing that Ramzan is going on, and today is the second Jummah of Ramzan, and we're also seeing that 25,000 police personnel have been deployed in the national capital. We're showing you the visuals of Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, who has just arrived at the national Delhi BJP headquarters. She is here today to celebrate Holi with all the Karyakartas, and we are showing you the visuals. Also, we are seeing that the metro in Delhi today the services will be starting at 2:30 in the afternoon, and this is the visuals that we are showing you from the national capital. Several of the people who are celebrating the festival with gulal, abir and rang. We're also seeing people celebrating Holi with flowers, and several of the ministers are set to arrive here. We'll see Manoj Tiwari in a short while. We are showing you the visuals of Rekha Gupta. She's also here to celebrate Holi. Lots and lots of people have arrived here. Karyakartas, non-Karyakartas, everyone is gathered to celebrate the festival of colors here. And we are showing you the visuals from Delhi NCR, not just here, but at the residence of several ministers. The celebration is going on, and it is going on in a very grand level. People are celebrating Holi, and also we are showing you the visuals from the Delhi BJP, where all of the Karyakartas are gathered. We'll also try to talk to a few of them. क्या नाम है आपका?
संजीव अरोड़ा। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सबको होली पर की। पूरे देश में, पूरे भारत में भाजपा की लहर जो चल रही है, आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। पूरे देश में हम सब लोग शांति से सुखद भविष्य के लिए आगे काम करें। मोदी है तो मुमकिन है।
So we are seeing that the celebration that has been going on, because today is Holi, and we are seeing excitement amongst the people who are celebrating Holi today. Over to you.